All right, we have 415 Gulf Shore Drive, Unit 23, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 1973, 1,800 square feet. This is just a rooftop metal. I'll start down here in the garage. So there's just one more unit to the right, end unit. This is kind of a short garage. You kind of have to duck getting in here, but if you had a little car, little entryway here. All right, so we're just starting on the first floor, ground floor, I guess. Goes into the bedroom, and then that window looks out over top, and then you got a little bath, closet, and a bathroom, and nice tiled shower here. Just closets here, and here, and then the other bedroom. All updated, quartz counters, nice tiled shower. And we'll go up and then we'll go down. This actually goes back down, but all right, nice living room, tall ceiling. Another bedroom here. No window. You do have a closet. Well, not really, it's an AC. And then this just goes into the bathroom. And back out into the hall. And this is the front door. Where you come up. There's a closet here with the water heater. A little breakfast bar here. Stainless steel appliances, quartz counters. Looks out onto the front. So this takes you downstairs. You got your 50-foot boat lift, Trex board decking, so that's not going to rot easily. Okay, go back down. So we had 2 bedrooms here, one upstairs, and then you have this bunk room down here with the laundry. So you got washer dryer, you got like an owner's closet there, nice laminate flooring, and then a mini split AC unit. So going out here, that's for the mini split. You got storage, your AC, grill. See if I can go out here. Little fish cleaning station. That's the Emerald Grand right there. Not sure what's in here. It's locked. All right. 415 Gulf Shore Drive, Unit 23 in Destin.